How to make the taskbar transparent Windows 11. Here you can see this. Now let me show to you how you can do it. First, open Microsoft Store. Click here on the search bar. Then type in Translucent TB. Here is the app. Click to open it. Now click on Get to install the software. Done. Now click on Open. Boom. Here you can see the taskbar has become transparent. So that's it. That's the easiest way to make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and even click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.